Rod Boris, I will go play for a while. Okay. Well, I am going to explore. Dark Caillou, make sure, be back for an hour, okay? Okay. Whoa, look at this train. Should I can drive a train? I'm going to drive a train. No one is gonna stop me. Yes! I can drive a train. I can be a train conductor. This is amazing. Oh my god! The train is missing. Okay, we're on it. Now, I can drive a train. Dark Caillou, stop this train immediately. Oh no! It's the cops. The cops are here to arrest me. This is not good. Oh come on, I'm just having fun. Dark Caillou, you are under arrest for stealing a train. Stealing a train is a crime. Get in my police car right now, and I'm calling your parents. When Dark Caillou arrived to jail. This is your cell. You will be staying here for 7 days. We have visitors. Dark Caillou, what in the world you thinking? I could not believe that you steal a train. You know steal a train is a serious crime, and you can get arrested for doing that.
We are very disappointed at you, because you caused so much trouble. That's it. You are grounded until you get out of jail.
Wow.